break ball happened at their last game. That joke at training translated. Angel later on said, wala, impulse lang. Kasi sabi ni coach, kapag ganon, itala ko lang sa zone 1. Kaya pinalo ko. And it indeed became a lucky point.
Comfortable lead so far for DLSU. Another sharp serve. Misreceive. Micol sending it to the slide. Great save by Zamudio. Chance ball DLSU. This time Reyes to Aliyah Malaluan.
Aliyah Malaluan.
Aliyah Malaluan.
Duncan spike off the set brought to you by Duncan. Pasalubong ng bayan.
Also have to give credit to their setter by giving Aliyah Malaluan a single blocker on that side of the court.
May target kanino. Malaluan, slowed down by the blockers. Chance ball Lasal. The toss to Aliyah. Once again, Reyes. Solid dig. Cepada. Straight to the other side. Big chance for UE. Zamudio will try. Nice rebound by Bangayan. Kai Cepada naman. Aliyah. Oh, finds a way.
Aliyah Malaluan.
Not the best of hits. Still found that space behind the blockers of UE.
Hyundai move of the set. This move of the game is brought to you by Hyundai Stargazer X. Exceeds expectations.